So hi sir, for this video I will tackle about my presentation and the experiment that we've conducted. Data logger, a device that gather the data of the room temperature. For the background of the study, a data logger is a device that tracks and logs conditions as they change over time. They may consist of several channels or be single, standalone units. The majority of standalone devices run on the batteries, enabling them to record continuously and for a long period of time. Microprocessors, internal memories, and sensors are all used by data loggers to gather data. They often consist of small battery-operated gadgets. Data logger can be used as standalone devices with a local interface or connect wirelessly to a device. They can also interface with a computer and use software to monitor and analyze the acquired data. Unlike many other types of data gathering devices, data loggers have the benefit of being computer independent. Data loggers come in a variety of sizes and style. The variety covers everything from straightforward, affordable, single-channel fixed function recorders to more robust, programmable devices that can handle hundreds of inputs. As for the objective of study, first, use Arduino to design a data logger, and the second one, create an Arduino application to collect the data. The next one, use an Arduino to store data, and the last one, record the room temperature on an SD card every 15 minutes. For the significance of the study, the findings of this inquiry will aid in identifying problems with the electrical system audit and ensures energy consumption, particularly when using air conditioners. This study also reduces energy consumption and waste, which results in energy saving at the College of Engineering. The impacts of increased energy will be addressed using this method. Scope and limitation of the study. This experiment will take place at Mariano Marcos State University, College of Engineering in Batac City, Ilocos Norte, and will be primarily focused on the design, assembly, and testing of a data logger to collect information on room temperature. As for the methodology, local of the study, the data logger was created and tested on December 22, 2020 at the Electrical Engineering Department at Room 207 at Mariano Marcos State University in Batac City, Ilocos Norte. As for the research design, a data logger was designed, constructed, and evaluated for this investigation. This was designed and constructed to gather information on the room's temperature every 15 minutes. Quantitative research was used in the design and production of the data logger. For the study, survey analysis enhanced with actual measurements will be carried out. As for the research material, I've used or laptop with installed Arduino IDE, RTCDS1302, breadboard, male-to-male dopant wire, Arduino Uno, SD card module, male-to-female dopant wire, and last LM35. For the next slide, these are the figures of the equipment that I've used. Data gathering procedure. Connect the LM35 DC, also with the DS1302, and the SD card module and the RTC real-time clock to the appropriate connections on the Arduino Uno. Check to see if the codes are prepared for upload. Use the serial monitor to check whether the data logger saved any data to the SD card after uploading. The program's delay should be set to 900,000 to take the room temperature readings every 15 minutes. After collecting and uploading the codes, please enter the precise time and date so that we can produce an accurate result. To prevent the data logger from being disconnected, position it in the room's safest area. And as for this slide, this is the data that I've gathered. Sure. As for the resource and discussion, the summary, for an 8-hour period, a data logger was built, tested, and set up to record temperature readings every 15 minutes on December 22, 2020 at Mariano Marcos State University in Batac City, Ilocos Norte, the College of Electrical Engineering Department at room 207. A computer or laptop with our installed Arduino IDE pre-installed, Arduino hardware, RTC DS1302, SD card module, breadboard, male-to-male dopant wire, and LM35DC made up the data logger. The investigation findings will help detect any issues with the electrical system audit and ensures energy consumption, particularly while running an air conditioner. The impacts of increased energy will be addressed using these methods. As for the conclusion, we were able to design an Arduino-based data logger with the aid of this study, make a data collection program for Arduino, make use of an Arduino for data storage, measure the room's temperature every 15 minutes, and save results on an SD card, which is great application for the audit project because it will enable us to learn when they turn the air condition on and off. As for my recommendation, the following ideas can be applied in light of the data gathered and conclusions reached. The first one, look into the data logger utilizing IoT to monitor the data gathered there. The second one, use a power bank to power the Arduino Uno to avoid disruptions to data collection caused by power loss. Find a dependable power source that can sustain the Arduino Uno for the appropriate period of time so that the data may be gathered. And last one, check the code that will use XLSX to directly receive the collected data. And that's all for my report, sir. Um, Thank you for listening. God bless, sir.